Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the STUSSY Crewneck. So let's go ahead and check this one out. STUSSY, New York, Los Angeles, and then Tokyo, London, and then Paris. Wow, XXL, made in Mexico. Ooh, look at this. Pretty nice, eh? I like the material is very soft compared to Supreme. It's kind of rough. So I guess this represents all the different countries. France. What's this one? Kind of hard to see, but you got the Japan, LA, New York. I guess their flag, Great British, Japan, and the US. STUSSY, made in Mexico. 100% cotton. And then this is what they look like on the back. Got the STUSSY, Bronx, Compton, Santa Ana, Brooklyn, and then Venice. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace. Alright YouTube, hopefully I'm going to do a try on fit on body real quick for you guys to check them out, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Here we go.